Today we will be doing a music lesson with a musicogram. We are going to play the song called Goodness of God to help us determine the rhythm and beat of this musical passage. I will draw the musicogram on the whiteboard so that everyone is able to follow while I demonstrate how to match the beat to the symbols found in the table below.